Hello everyone, Christina say hi to you from Boston, Massachusetts. Today is February 24th, 2026. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group. Today we continue day 24 of our 30-day National Celebration Map. Honor the discipline, timing, and the power of 1031 exchange. Investors securing off-market 100 unit plus multifamily replacement properties through AI-powered 2026 off-market deal flow ecosystem. An ecosystem built for clarity, precision, and legacy grand strategy. This is your awareness window, your direct line into institutional quality opportunities that never hit the public market. Our ecosystem is engineered to match your 1031 exchange timeline, multifamily criteria, and capital posture with real off-market inventory across the Southeast and sunbelt. Whether you are seeking value-add, stabilized, direct-to-seller, or 100 unit plus value-add multifamily replacement properties, this is where alignment happens. The current 100 unit multifamily deal isn't your fit. We will match you with the next one. If you are active, ready, and moving, this ecosystem will move with you. And because today marks the official start of your celebration window, your next activation pause is tomorrow, February 25th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. It's our Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 25, where we continue your momentum with a precision alignment session. Today's celebration offer 1031 multifamily exchange, multifamily consulting, precision strategy session for serious 1031 exchange investors and multifamily buyers, including 30 minutes structured plus 15 minutes complimentary. We cover replacement property strategy, deal fit analysis, underwriting clarity, timeline alignment, capital posture, explore 1031 exchange strategy for true one-day target ads campaign. A rapid visibility push 500 target email in one day, perfect for quick wins, fast deal exposure, immediate investor awareness, explore visibility. Offer 3 2-day target ads campaign, a stronger multi-day push 1,000 target ads, 500 email per day plus 2-day exposure. Ideal for multi-day visibility, higher conversion, stronger buyer engagement. Please explore momentum. Offer for 1-week target ad campaign, a 4-week institutional visibility, agent 3,000 target email, 500 email per day, 6 days. Perfect for max exposure, authority building, deal flow acceleration, explore deal flow. Offer 5 annual access for 100 unit plus multifamily 1031 exchange deal access, a 12-month pipeline of market 100 unit plus replacement property, including direct-to-seller opportunities, monthly deal drops, priority access, 1031 aligned inventory, explore off-market deal sourcing. Offer 6 1031 exchange online academic annual, a 4-year academic for serious 1031 exchange investors. You get institutional strategy, tax efficiency, wealthy design, replacement property mastery, multifamily acquisition frameworks, explore institutional strategy. If you want to learn more, welcome to join Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 25. It will be held on tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. Get your coffee time passport, join us, celebrate with us, dear merchant with us. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day. Welcome to join a community of excellence where you can learn, grow, and celebrate with us every single day. Thank you and welcome.